Hey guys, today I've made some carnivore crackers. It's only made with 2 ingredients and you can put them in your kids' lunchboxes or take them on picnics. So to start off with, I've used Australian grated Parmesan cheese along with unseasoned pork crackle crumbs. So here you can use the metal trays or you can use the silicone mold, it doesn't really matter. So here I'm just tipping in some crumbed pork rinds. I don't really have a measurement. I would probably recommend to do more cheese than pork rinds. I haven't really done that here, but it definitely works out a lot better if there's more cheese than pork rinds. Once they're cooked, this is what they're going to look like, nice and golden. I put them in the oven about 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, and this is how they came out. By the way, I haven't forgotten to make the meat pie cooking recipe and the chicken nugget recipe. I've just been so busy with work and life at the moment, but they are coming, so thank you for being patient. So now that we have our little crackers, I tried to find something that was about the same size as a little cutter. This champagne glass fit perfectly, so I'm just going to use that. I'm going to cut a few sheets at once just so that it saves time. So there's going to be a little bit of cheese left over. You can decide what you want to do with that. I actually ate quite a few of the little bits that were left over, or you can just put them back into the box and let others wonder what the heck happened there. And then here I have the ham on the bone. I tried to cut the ham into really thin slices, but that didn't quite work. They're a little more thicker than I would have liked. Once all that's cut up, you can have a little snack in the meantime. So here I'm using my little champagne glass to cut the ham. They are pretty thick pieces of ham. I can put them through the meat slicer if I wanted to make them a bit thinner, but I really can't be bothered doing that today. So that's pretty much it. They're pretty easy to make. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you make it a different way, let me know. If you have any other suggestions on what I should make, please let me know in the comments below as well.